Dear students, today we shall learn how to change the sentences of present perfect and past perfect into passive voice. Now look at the green board. There is a sentence, Govind has completed the work. In present perfect tense, has or have helping verb is given there. And when we change such sentences into passive, then been is also added in the passive voice. Look here, the work has been completed by Govind. One convenience is there in the sentences of perfect tense that the third form of the verb or the perfect participle is given itself there. So you needn't find out the third form of the verb. It is already given there in the sentence as completed is there. So you are to place the completed as it is, and the other rules are same as in the other tenses. Only one thing is there, you are to add been only. Now note down the rule, subject plus have or has. Where to use have or had, it is dictated already. And plus been plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. Now come to negative sentences. We have not purchased the books. The books have not been purchased by us. And the object into subject plus have or has according to the number and person of the subject, and then not. Not is to be used just after has or have, and then been. Been is placed after not, then third form of the verb, then by, and then object. Now come to interrogative A. Has Geeta washed the clothes? The same thing is there. The sentence is to be begun with the helping verb have or has. As clothes is the plural subject, and that's why have is to be used. Have the clothes been washed by Geeta? So helping verb have or has plus subject plus been. Been is to be used just after the subject plus third form of the verb plus by, then object. Okay? And now come to interrogative B. Why have you not completed your work? The passive sentence will also begin with the same question word. Why has your work not been completed by you? So keep in your mind, here in the active sentence have is used, while in the passive has is used. Why it is so? Because here in the active sentence the subject is you. That's why we have to use have. And in the passive sentence the subject is your work, that is singular. That's why we have used has. Okay? Now note down the rule. Question word plus has or have plus subject plus if the sentence is negative interrogative not plus been plus third form of the verb plus by and then the object. Okay, I think you have understood what the rules are to be followed while changing the sentences of perfect tense, and mainly present perfect and past perfect. In present perfect and past perfect there is only one difference, and that is the difference of the helping verb. Now let's see the sentences of past perfect. He had finished his task. Here in past perfect, helping verb had is given in the active sentence. And while to convert these sentences into passive, we are to use had plus been. Now look at the green board. His task had been finished by him. Okay? Only one thing is there, that is the helping verb. In present perfect tense we are to use have or has, while in past perfect only had is to be used and it is followed by been. Some more sentences are there. Radha had not taken the food before her mother came back from the office. Here I have already told you only that sentence is or that verb is to be changed into passive where there is the object or the transitive verb is to be changed into passive. So here the first clause is in the form of transitive verb. As Radha had not taken the food. So we shall change it like the food had not been taken by Radha before her mother came back from the office. Okay, keep in your mind, if there are two clauses in past perfect tense, only that clause is to be changed into passive, which is having the object, or in which clause the verb is transitive. Okay, and now I think you have understood how to change the sentences of present perfect and past perfect into passive. Now you are to note down some sentences for your practice. Sentence number 1. I have finished my homework. Next, they have not paid their dues. Next, who has killed the snake? Next, Mohit had prepared his lesson before the teacher came. Next, my mother had prepared the food before father returned. Okay, you can change these sentences very easily if you have kept all the rules and examples in your mind. Thank you. We shall meet tomorrow.